Bullish Theta organization cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $3.47 and $6.55 by 2030. Market investigators accept Theta could reach $2.70 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2023 is 61 cents. Theta organization presentation. Theta's local digital money is additionally called Theta. The symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two sorts of hubs on the Theta organization: normal hubs and asset-rich Watchman hubs. Standard hubs acquire prizes for sharing their assets, while Watchman hubs procure much bigger compensations for checking blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the vital highlights of the Theta network is its utilization of edge storing. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client instead of at a unified area. This diminishes dormancy and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferable streaming encounter over conventional CDNs. One more significant element of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with negligible effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web blockage by dispersing traffic among numerous ways all the while. How Theta functions. The principal thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video web-based stage like YouTube or Jerk, it's likewise a decentralized organization fueled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share transfer speed and registering assets on a P2P premise. As such, Theta is intended to be a more effective and decentralized approach to real-time video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are essentially PCs that are sent at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can lessen idleness and work on streaming quality. While Theta's mainnet chips away at an agreement instrument that permits clients to approve exchanges and procure rewards. The stage gives top-notch streams low inertness, and clients can acquire compensations for giving transmission capacity assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has serious areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. The advantages of Theta. So what are the advantages of utilizing Theta? First of all, Theta expects to be more proficient than customary video web-based stages. By using edge servers and asset sharing, Theta can decrease both dormancy and expenses. The subsequent advantage is expanded decentralization. By permitting clients to share transmission capacity in figuring assets, Theta makes a more decentralized network that is less helpless against restriction or assault. At last, Theta likewise accompanies its local token, which can be utilized to buy labor and products on the stage or marked for remunerations. Theta value figure. The Theta organization vows to upset the manner in which we transfer video by decentralizing information conveyance and offering clients compensations for sharing their transmission capacity assets. The local digital currency of the organization is Theta token, which can be utilized to approve exchanges and stake in the organization. I'll see Theta's cost expectations for 2022 and then some. Theta has proactively taken incredible steps since its send-off. The mainnet has gone live and sent off big business conferencing with Samsung VR. These triumphs have prompted a positive cost pattern for Theta all through the majority of 2020 and 2021. Looking forward, there are a few impetuses that could keep on driving the cost of Theta vertical. In the first place, the reception of 5G will work on streaming quality and lead to additional top-notch streams being conveyed over Theta's decentralized organization. Second, as additional organizations embrace undertaking conferencing controlled by Theta, interest for Theta will increment. At last, as the crypto market keeps on developing, financial backers will progressively see Theta as a decent long-haul venture because of its solid basics. In light of these variables, we accept that Theta's cost is supposed to reach $5 by 2022. In any case, it is vital to take note of that digital currency costs are exceptionally unstable and possibly impacted by various outer factors like worldwide financial circumstances or guideline changes. Our forecast ought to be considered alongside other market investigations while pursuing speculation choices. The ongoing economic situations are bullish for Theta, and the cost is supposed to keep on ascending before very long. I accept that Theta is a wise venture at its ongoing value because of its utilization case in the video real-time industry as well as its accomplished group. I anticipate that it should arrive at new highs in 2023 as additional individuals become mindful of its true capacity. Theta organization is presently worth 77 cents USD. Theta has moved 1.42% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7,382,128. Theta organization is at present positioned 56 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $771,154,274 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Theta organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Theta organization market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2023 Theta Organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Theta cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $1.16. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.08 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of 92 cents. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Theta Organization Theta cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $1.93. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Theta's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.54 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.70. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2025 on the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.70 and Theta might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.47 and a low of $2.31 in 2025. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2026 on the off chance that Theta Organization effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money devotees. The Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2026. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $3.47, with a base cost of $3.08 and a typical cost of $3.24. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2027 after some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.01 by 2027, with a base cost of $3.86 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Theta has a most extreme value worth of $4.24. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2028 because representing things to come associations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.78. On the off chance that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $5.01. Neglecting to accumulate the help Theta needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $4.63. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2029 while Theta is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations.